Hello everyone. So yes, in previous classes we were looking at how you can find information about a particular person. From different search engines and using PDF operators, Google search operators, and many more. Okay. So in today's section, we would be looking at how to dive deeper into the particular social media OSINT and all. Okay. So particularly for this video, we are going to use our old targets like Manisher, Insta ID and all. We would be looking at the timings and all. Okay. So in the previous classes, we were able to find this much of information about the Manisher. Okay. So we had LinkedIn. We would be looking at this all in the next classes and previous classes. Currently, we are looking at the specifically Instagram or Meta, specifically Meta based, okay, things like Instagram, threads, and all. Okay, so we had only Instagram account. So what am I going to do? Let me copy this M Kumar Cyber, and we would start with the Instagram. Okay, so if I do Instagram, I will get the Manish sir ID. Okay, so if I open this ID, I will start to look at different places. Okay, so at first we are going to get another ID for Manish sir, which we were not able to found directly. Okay, so if I do this, we will be redirected to the threads option. Okay. And with this, we are on the Manish Kumar sir post pages. Okay. It is an open page for now. And we can find multiple information. Like we can also gather information where the particular person would have been. Okay. And things like that exactly. And okay. So this was it. And we have found another ID over here, which is Manish Kumar sir. You can see the actual picture also. And the similar kind of post we have seen on Instagram. So let us wait, let it load for a while. Okay. Yeah. So it is loading and let us continue with Instagram just for a while. This is already a burners account. Okay. So what you can gather from this. So just for example, if a person would have been somewhere like this image, okay, or this particular image, we can utilize it to find places like this. Okay, it is an AI content. Okay, we can see this AI content over here, but we can utilize this kind of information to find particular timings or things like that. Okay, so just for example, this is the particular image that we are looking at. Okay, let me just wait a minute. Okay, so here we are. We have got another threads ID, so we would include that too. Okay, so we have found the threads ID for Manish sir. But till then, let us open inspect. Just for example, if you're looking for a person, okay, an element, threat element, if you are looking at, and you want to find where the person is from, okay. So what you are going to do, you can see the image particularly, okay, and you can see at what date it might have been posted, okay. So just for example, this looks like a home and some books and the iPad and things like that, and sir is trying to read a book. Okay, so just for example, if we want to guess at what particular page, okay, or at what particular time sir would have posted, we can also make a pattern for this, at what time sir basically post. Yeah, okay, so things like that, you can see that we have time. Okay, you can go to inspect and developer tools directly, and you can directly look for timing, so we can map if sir is following things like a particular timing to post, and if it is so, it we can fish sir at a particular time by sending the email and things like that. Okay, this can be really helpful. So this is the timing sir has posted, and let us try to look at some other pictures also, like this picture. Okay, so I don't want it to like this, but it doesn't matter. So this, if this is what I wanted to find, okay, what am I going to do? I will download this picture particularly, and I would do the Google search. Okay, but currently we are not looking at. So currently we have 31 July. If I do this again, and over here, Control F, timing. Okay, so we can see the particular image is taken at evening. Okay, you can see. So you can create a pattern like this. that sir would have posted at this time. So he might be maintaining his sequence order. You can try to fish a particular person at this particular timing when he's mostly online. Okay, so that you get chances and things like that. Okay, so just for example, we have images and okay and all like this. Okay, so we are logged into the threads and we have found another new one ID. Okay, so if I go to threads for particularly Manish sir, we have found another ID which is a threads ID. Let us go to threads and see what else we can find over here. Okay, on threads we can also find Facebook ID. We can map user activity and things like that. Okay, so you can see we have Instagram ID over here. We have notification bar. We can about this profile. Okay, and things like that. So if I have this, okay, you can see the particular date and timing when this would have posted, and this. Okay, so these are just the similar things, just like you know Instagram and all. So if you can see, if caffeine is less, then you can add it too and thank me later. Okay, so this kind of thing we can find. So just for example, how you can map a particular person now. So just for example, we find a lot of things now, like a new ID and an Instagram ID. We can also get Facebook and things like that. So but for example, if I want to find where this particular image or things like that, you can directly go with it. You can use AI docs and all for the particular image analysis and all. Okay, but just for example, if I have got all these things, you can map these things. Okay, so this is the all you can map. You can see a car, a particular weather format. This is an kind of a cafe or something. Okay, so this is how you can particularly look at what we are, and you can see that this is the juice factory dot something like this. Okay, so what am I going to do if I save this image particularly? Okay, yeah, let us do that in lovable earth. Okay, and if I do this and let me go to Google. What we can do, like we have image or AI mode. Okay, I'm going to use Google Lens for now. Downloads and earth. Okay, we have this image which we got. So what am I going to do? I would look for the particular juice location or things like that. So yeah, you can see juice factory which we have already seen. Okay, so we can map the particular location where the person would have been. Okay, so this is the image factory displays a reusable plastic sipper, juice of popular Indian fresh juice and healthy. Okay, so you can map this particular. What are the locations? So what you can do, you can map where the particular person would have been. Okay, so this place would have been the same if the image is like this. Okay, so you can see Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Birganj, Balaghat, and Bhilai. Okay, so these are the particular places where the location would have been. Okay, so maybe sir may mainly they live in Mumbai and things like that. Okay, so if I go to location for Mumbai, okay, I would go to location for Mumbai exact. Okay, so it would get me the location and things like that. So I can map at what particular time sir would have been there, and I can. Okay, so this is what you can see. You can also look at the Instagram of the particular juice factory. So you can see it is open daily from Monday to Sunday, 7 to 2 a.m. Okay, and similarly images like this. Okay, yeah. So this is how you can map things. Okay, if I go to particular area, so it looks similar kind of things. Okay, you can see the so this was the area and things all like this. Okay, what else you can do? As I shown these things to you, you can open a particular image. Okay, and inspect time. If I go to time, Yeah, so this is the timing. Okay, so this is what we can map out. And also another thing, just for example, you have this, and this is the username of our sir. Okay, so what you can do, you can use Instagram user ID. Okay, so you can use any particular tool and you can keep. So just for example, if someone changes their email address and things like that. Okay, so you can particularly find a person directly using the user ID directly. Okay, so I just don't want to watch an ad. Doesn't matter. Let us try this. Okay, so if I paste this and if I do this, this is the kind of problem and things like that. But if you are in Chrome, I will show you another way. This is the manual. This is the automatic way to find. Okay, but okay, so I made a kind of, let me show you directly a way. So just go to the particular profile, okay? Like you are on a profile for now, and go to the source page, okay? Control and U, and you can go to the source page, and you would directly look for user ID, user ID. Okay, so you will look for multiple things, and like this, you will somehow get a user ID also. Yeah, so this is the particular user ID. This is how you can keep trace of a person, even if person has changed their ID directly, change their username or things like that. You can directly search for a particular person using their user ID. So if I try this over here, because it works directly on Facebook. So if I try this, this might not work on Instagram, but it works on Facebook like this. So you can directly map someone with the user ID, and there is a specific range. Okay, to get this you can google it, like search filter or user ID time calculator for Instagram, user ID time calculator Instagram. Okay, so you might get a kind of a chart, so we can assume that at what particular day or date kind of thing uh, the particular account would have been created, but we are not getting anything yet, so let us wait for a while. Okay, so currently we are not getting any charts or things like that. I might be sharing with you. Okay, so currently the page profile is not available. This is working on Facebook directly, but this is how you can map a particular person. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you.